Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you through how to add photos to edit in Snapseed application. For that, first of all, launch Snapseed application on your device. As you can see, there is already written that you can tap anywhere to open a photo, so you can just tap on plus button. Now give them access to your photo gallery. You can either limit the access or allow full access. For now, I'm choosing allow full access option available there. Now choose open from device option, then choose a photo that you want to add to Snapseed application. Now from here you can change the looks of that particular photos, or you can also add tools by simply tapping on the tools to edit your photo. At last, to export, you just have to hit on the export button and then you are good to go. In this way you can easily add photos to edit in Snapseed application. I hope this video was helpful. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.